This is Mustafizur Rahman. Today I am discussing with some basic commands of Linux. This is my computer. Since I am showing you some basic command of Linux, so let's go on the terminal. First of all, I am showing you mkdir command. So what is mkdir command? If you want to create a new folder or new directory in the computer, that the time you need mkdir command. So let's go the practical. Okay. First of all, you write down the mkdir and you also write down the folder name. So now our folder name is new folder. Okay, look at that. Here our folder was creating. If you want to check your folder is created or not using Linux terminal, so it is possible. So at the time you need a command. This command name is ls. Okay, you also look there. Here our new folder is also show. Okay, if you want to enter your new folder, that time you need a command. This command is cd. Okay, let's go the new folder. I am already entering the new folder. Suppose now you are wanting your location of this computer, so here you need a command. This command name is pwd. This command show us the location. This is our location. So okay, if you want to make a file in this folder and input some value, so you need cat. This is cat command. If you want to input some value in your file, that time you need a arrow symbol and your file name. Now our file name is number.txt. Okay, I am inputting some value. Here I am inputting some value 1 to 50. Okay, let's enter. If you want to finish your inputting, that time you press Ctrl+C. Okay, your inputting is complete. If you check your input properly fulfill or not, that time you need again cat and the file name. Our file name is number.txt. Okay, this terminal show us the inputting. So our input is completed. Here we have lots of command in this terminal. If you want to clear this terminal, that time you need a code. This code name is clear. Okay, now our terminal is fully cleared, or you can say that fully clean. If you want to check your creating files specific length of value, that time you need two types of commands. First command name is head and second command name is tail. Okay, head show you some value which is set on this file at first, and tail show you some value which is set on this file at last. Okay, so now we are doing some practical of head and tail. Okay, this is my head command, and if you show a specific length of value, that time you write down how length of value you want to show. That time you press the length of this value. Okay, now we are show the 20 length value. Okay, you are already come to know our file name is number.txt. Okay, write down. Look here only show the first 20 value. Okay, now I am showing you the tail command. Now our length are 20 and our file name is number.txt. Okay, you just notice that the tail command show us the last 20 value. Okay, I hope you already saw the head and tail command. Now I am clearing this terminal. Okay, if you want to remove your creating folder, how can do it? Here we have a folder. This folder name is new folder. If you want to delete it or remove it, that time you need a command. This command is rm-r and the folder name. Okay, press enter. Sorry, our folder name is wrong, so let's go again. Enter the folder name. Okay, press again enter. Now you look that our folder is perfectly deleted. So okay, let's check it. Okay, here the new folder 2 is vanished. First of all, we have a folder. This folder name is new folder 2 and I am removed it. Now I have remaining a file, only this file name is number.txt. And if you also remove a file, that time you need a command. This command is rm -f means file and the file number.txt. Okay, now our file is totally vanished. Okay, let's check. Here I have no entry. Okay, now I am showing you the permission change of a file. Okay, first of all I need a file, so let's go make a file. Now our file name is num.txt. Okay, input some data 1. Okay, let's go check the file permission. Here this file permission is read, write, read and read. Now I am changing this permission. Here we need a command. This command name is chmod. Okay, and I am providing this file permission is 777, and we also need the file name. So now entering the file name num.txt. Enter. Okay, again check the file permission ls-l. Okay, here our file permission is changed. Here file permission is read, write, execute, read, write, execute, read, write, execute. But after first I have only read, write and read, read. So I hope you know how can change the file permission. Okay, now I am showing how many process run on the computer in this time. That time we need a command. This command name is stop. This terminal has some process. These process are running in this computer now. Here this is our CPU rating. Okay, now I am showing this computer or this machine name. This time you need a command. This command name is who am I. This machine, or you can say this account name is Mustafizur. Mustafizur is my name. Okay, thank you for watching my presentation. Thank you so much.